I'm Miss Cat. Whoa. Hi, I'm Miss Maxine. Hi, I'm Miss Betsy.
Welcome to the garden!
Hi, garden friends. Miss Betsy here from the school garden. Today, we're going to talk about plant parts and how different plant parts help a plant to grow, survive, and reproduce. But what does that mean, to grow? Can you tell me? Yeah, it just means to get bigger, right? How about that word survive? What does that mean? You're absolutely right. To live, right? To be able to live. And then what about that word reproduce? What does that mean? Absolutely, scientists. It means to make more of something. So again, we're going to explore how plant parts help a plant to grow, survive, and reproduce. Let's start out by reviewing the 6 main plant parts. Root, stem, leaf, flower, fruit, and seed. Let's investigate plant parts a little more by pulling up a bean plant. First, we have the roots. The roots help the plant to survive and grow by growing down into the soil, stabilizing the plant so that it stays in place when the wind blows, and absorbing water that helps the whole plant to survive. Next, we have the stem of the plant. The stem of the plant helps the plant to grow and survive as well by spreading the entire organism, the part of it that grows above ground, out into the world so that it can get what it needs to survive. Speaking of survival, we have the leaves. The leaves of a plant help the plant also to spread out into the world and to absorb things like sunlight, a gas called carbon dioxide, and even a little bit of water as well. That in turn helps the plant to make its own food. This is a process called photosynthesis, and we're going to talk a lot more about it in 5th grade. Next up, we have a flower. The flower helps the plant to reproduce because what it does is attract pollinators like bees and hummingbirds and butterflies, and they move the pollen in the plant from flower to flower, and that allows the flower to make its own fruit. Speaking of fruit, check out this bean. It used to be a flower and it was pollinated. This is considered a fruit, and it helps the plant to reproduce because inside of it, it has seeds. And if you open it up, you can see them right there. And seeds, of course, help a plant to reproduce because when you plant them, they make more what? That's right, more plants. Now that we've investigated the 6 main plant parts and how they help a plant grow, survive, and reproduce, what do you say we find some edible plant parts and make a little plant part taquito out of them, and I'll eat it. Arr. My plant part taquito is all clean and ready to eat. Oh my gosh, that is so good. Well, garden friends, as always, it was wonderful to be with you in the garden today. Before I let you go, I do want to give you your garden challenge. And that is for you to go in your kitchen and find some foods that come from different parts of plants and make a snack out of them, just like I did with my plant parts taquito. And when you make that snack and you're investigating those different foods, I want you to think, what part of the plant did this come from? And how did that part help the plant to grow, survive, or reproduce? Good luck out there, everybody. See you next time. Bye-bye.